Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi A4 versus Tiguan. The Audi A4, a luxury sedan, typically offers a more dynamic driving experience with its refined engine options and precise handling. The Volkswagen Tiguan, a compact SUV, prioritizes versatility and passenger comfort. We'll explore how these two distinct vehicles stack up in key areas, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle and needs. Let's dive into the details. Moving inside, the Audi A4 presents a premium cabin with high-quality materials and sophisticated design, emphasizing driver-focused ergonomics. Its infotainment system is intuitive, though the screen size might be more modest. The Tiguan, on the other hand, provides a more spacious and practical interior, often featuring a larger standard infotainment display and user-friendly controls. Both vehicles come equipped with essential smartphone integration, keeping you connected on the go. When it comes to space and practicality, the Tiguan truly shines, offering an optional third row for seating up to 7 passengers, making it ideal for families. It also boasts a generous cargo capacity, with approximately 37 cubic feet behind the second row. The A4, as a sedan, offers comfortable seating for 5 and a respectable trunk, but its focus is more on a nimble, sporty driving feel rather than maximizing utility. Your choice depends on your passenger and cargo needs. Considering value, the Audi A4 generally comes with a higher starting price, reflecting its luxury segment positioning and advanced features. The Volkswagen Tiguan often presents a more budget-friendly option, frequently offering better fuel economy and a strong warranty. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether you prioritize luxury and performance or practicality and space. Both are excellent vehicles, but they cater to different drivers. Check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.